Welcome back to Miss Colburn's PE class. We are super excited to have two homeschool helpers this week. So we have my nephew Matt and his friend Aiden. Everybody
Hello.
say hi!
Hello.
Hi. Thank you. All right, so we are going to learn how to roll, and to practice that skill, we are going to learn how to bowl. We have our friends to help us with bowling this week. So our number one guy is T-Rex. So this is how you set up the pins. We have one in front, and then we have Captain America and Black Stormtrooper. That's the second row, and there's two. Everybody say hi to Latte. She is also joining us. And then we have Iron Man, 3 different Iron Mans for our next row. And then we have Chewbacca. Who's that?
I think he's Luke.
Luke Skywalker. Stormtrooper and a dude in the back. So we have a row of 4, a row of 3, a row of 2, and 1 row in front.
You can use bottles, you can use cans, but you can't use glass. That is a bad thing.
Because if there's something harder than the glass, it can all crack and you can hurt yourself, or it can just like break stuff.
Yeah, and we don't want to make our parents mad. We want to have fun while learning how to roll. So thank you guys for helping me with that. Now, if you do have a dog for a guest, it may be better to use bottles because they're a little bit more stable and harder to knock over. Yeah. And Latte, she loves exploring just like most dogs do. So let's get started, shall we? We are going to start with a warm-up. So they are going to follow my lead in some stretches to get our arms ready to roll. So everybody, make your arms like a cactus. Look at my arms. Very good. And now you're going to bring your arms as far back as you can. And now you're going to put your hands together. Bring your arms as far forward as you can. Now bring them up. Very good. Now you're going to bring one arm in front of the other.
I do this.
Yep, just like that. And now you're going to switch. Excellent. Now we're going to do some windmills. Forward. Forwards the other way. There you go. And backward. And shake them out. And now let's learn how to roll. So when we roll, we have the hands out behind us. We step with our opposite foot, bend our knee, look at our target. So we're going to look at our friends who are behind us right now. And then we are going to release right at about our belly height. Okay, that'll keep the ball on the ground. So I am going to put this down a little bit so that you can see when we bowl. I'm going to go ahead and start. So can you guys get behind me so we can line up?
Okay.
Or actually, Aiden, would you like to be Matt, would you like to be my helper? And if I end up getting a strike, could you set up the pins again?
Okay.
Awesome. And Latte, can I have you come over here? Latte? Thank you. Okay, so here I go. Hand behind, set, bend, look, release. Woohoo! I got a strike!
Yay!
All right. So now we have our pin picker-upper, and we are gonna set him back up, and then it will be Aiden's turn, and then Matt's turn, because Matt's job is going to be setting our guys back up again so that Aiden can have his shot.
This guy is there. He's working.
Awesome. All right, Aiden, it is your turn. So where's the ball?
Oh,
there it is.
Catch.
Aiden, you're over here. All right, go ahead and roll. Oopsie, that's okay. All right. We've got what's called a spare. That bowling, you get 2 chances to knock down all the pins, or in this case, our friends. All right, so let's go ahead and give Aiden a chance.
I think this like.
And we're going to go ahead and watch him from a different angle now. Oh, that was an awesome roll, buddy. Okay, so we're going to set the court back up, or the alley, I should say.
So the first time I hit it, I think it like hit the wall back. So I think that's how it like.
That's okay. We're just bowling for fun, but we definitely do not want them right next to it because then you won't knock them down. All right, so we're setting our guys back up. We'll go ahead and I put Captain America in a slightly different spot, and that's okay. Your guys don't have to go back in the same spot every time.
I'm just gonna try. I don't know how to place this guy.
That's okay. I can place them for you. Excuse me, though. I do need the front spot.
We're gonna have to place him next to the iron.
Okay.
And
then T-Rex. Okay, Matt, it is your turn, buddy.
So who's gonna be the person who picks up the things?
I will be.
All right, ready, set. Wait.
All right.
And fire.
All right.
Wait.
So Matt got a spare as well. Captain America is still standing. So Matt, we are going to watch you roll one more time. And he got it. They are all down. So, hope you guys enjoyed your bowling lesson today. And have a safe, sane, healthy, and active day. Take care. Say bye, Aiden. Bye, Matthew.
Bye.
Where'd Aiden go? Oh, looks like Aiden went to the bathroom. So he is going to come right back. Say bye, Aiden.
Bye.
Bye, guys.